Hey, this is Madeline Preston.
And Emma Watkins.
We're recording live number 3, whatever this is called. Physical and chemical changes in food. So we've got our heavy whipping cream and our jar. We're in the frame. We've just kind of got it set up weird for the angle. So we're going to pour it in our container. Shake it 20 times. Sorry, we're in a house full of girls, so if you hear anything, that's why. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 20 times. Relieve some pressure. Keep shaking your... Oh, this is the part where we record.
This is where I do the time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep shaking your jar until all the liquid looks like it has solidified. Record the time.
Okay, so I'm resetting and starting.
Okay. Till it seems to have solidified.
We can take turns.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's too I'm just nervous because I know it exploded on my end.
Oh my gosh. Until it starts solidifying and it says so once it starts getting solid, we have to open the jar and make observations of the contents, taste the result.
No.
I might wear this tomorrow, so
I think you should. It's cute.
not with the socks though.
Why not?
Because I went into Bill's with these fuzzy socks. I went into Cash Center to get the buttermilk. It smells like illegal. I can't tell if it's just being sloshy or if it's like actually.
I think it's starting. Oh, well, it still looks pretty liquidy.
Oh, ew.
Yeah.
Oh, it dripped.
Gross.
It just kind of felt like it, like, I don't know. The bite of it.
No, they didn't give us a dinner break tonight, so Zach went and got us Panera, which is really nice, but yeah, we were like starving.
Did you get lunch?
No. Why? I went in from one rehearsal to another. I feel like it's getting chunky. No, not my favorite.
Ew. I'll check it after I eat these.
I'm gonna check it. Oh, the pressure.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely getting thicker.
That's good.
Oh, it smells.
Good or bad? I can't smell.
Not my fave.
We're gonna have to taste it. you want to get my Ezekiel bread out of the fridge, you can. It's in that. I feel like I can't even feel it sloshing. Oh, yeah, it's thick. Look.
Oh, it's solid.
The timer. It took 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay.
Wow.
Ew. Open your jar and make your observations of the contents. Okay, well, it kind of looks like vanilla pudding right now.
So it's no longer moving.
Yeah.
It's become like a solid form.
Mm-hmm. Well, not solid.
Oh, just very,
Thick.
yeah, very thick.
Taste your result and describe the taste and texture. Okay, it's really soft. It's really soft, like pudding. Oh.
Close to butter. Milky butter.
Yeah, it tastes kind of like milk. It's not bad. I was thinking it was going to be horrible. Okay, so put the lid back on the jar, making sure it's tight again. Continue shaking until you see lumps of solid butter. I can't see in here. And a thin, opaque liquid. That's the buttermilk. If it looks like whipped cream and you don't see any liquid, you need to keep shaking. I think that's the point where we are right now.
Yeah.
That it looks like whipped cream. Is this the thin, opaque liquid? Don't know. No, I think it's still whipped cream. Oh, we're supposed to still be recording.
Oh.
We can look back on the video.
Okay, let me do it. Okay, take a break. Oh, it's so hard.
Uh-huh.
I don't want a piece either.
It's supposed to be a cheese sandwich.
You're making a cheese
We
sandwich?
have to make a grilled cheese sandwich.
Oh, I see. You're gonna waste your Ezekiel bread?
I don't have any other bread. I got a whole nother loaf in the freezer because I accidentally bought another because I forgot I had that. Look at these beautiful grains. Yeah, this is expensive bread.
Okay. No, I just feel as if it's extremely
We're like at a-
solid.
Or the stalemate. Let's check it out.
Ooh.
It looks kind of more like, I'm sure you can't see. Well, maybe you can.
Mashed potatoes.
Yeah, it definitely looks like mashed potatoes. Do you think this is the... It's getting more solid, I guess. So, lumps of solid butter. Okay, so yeah, that's the lumps of solid butter. Yeah, so I think keep shaking.
And where are we? Add cold water to your jar with the butter still in it. Put the lid back on and shake about 5 times. pour the water out and repeat this step until your pour out is clear. How many
times you're at that point?
I do.
Okay, well, let's get the cold water. So we're about to add the cold water.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So it's all migrated to one side.
Yeah, it's kind of grody looking. Oh, do we have to taste it again? Do we have to taste it again?
Still better?
Yeah, it's better. Open your jar, taste the buttermilk. Okay, the buttermilk's taste and texture, it's still, like, it tastes kind of milky, but, like, also buttery, and the texture's really, like, soft, like butter should be. It just looks kind of gross, because it's kind of lumpy. Pour the buttermilk out. It's not liquidy.
Well, I feel like you're right. We have no liquid left.
So I think we need to shake some more. It's supposed to form a liquid.
Oh, I see. Here, let me do it. You've been shaking forever, I feel.
Check it again.
It's too much pressure. I'm so scared. I don't know that. Okay, so now it's kind of liquidy.
Okay.
Not really.
Not to the point where you could like pour it out.
No, I mean.
Oh, I feel the liquid. Keep shaking her. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your butter.
I feel like we shook it too long.
That's not true.
I do feel that way because it says continue shaking until you see lumps of solid butter.
That's
which
what we're
saw.
seeing right now.
No, I feel like this is solid
Listen.
butter.
Oh. The pressure.
Buttermilk!
Ew.
Ew.
Yes, there's some buttermilk in there. You can't really see it, but
Okay, pour the buttermilk out. Make sure
Okay.
you don't lose your butter.
Ugh. Do we have to taste the buttermilk?
No.
Okay, good. Okay. Ooh, she's stinky.
Add cold water to your jar with the butter still in it.
How much cold water though?
It doesn't say. Now put the lid back on and shake it about 5 times. Add the water and repeat the step until the water you pour out is clear. How many times do
1,
you
2, 3, 4, 5. leftover water.
I know. Well, you keep pouring water in.
Okay.
So you put the lid back on, pour the water in, and repeat the step until the water you pour out is clear. That's scary.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, it's really liquidy. Weird. This is no longer water. Oh,
You didn't. You're supposed to pour it out until it's clear.
Pour what out?
The water, that the substance. I think it's determining how, like, the consistency and how long it takes us to get the bowl clean.
This is the butter.
I know.
You can't pour this out. It's water that you're supposed to be pouring out.
Pour the buttermilk out. Make sure you don't lose the butter. Add cold water to your jar with butter still in it. Put the lid back on and shake about 5 times. Pour out the water. Oh. And now we need to add salt to make it salted better.
Okay. Do you want to add water again?
No, I don't think so.
It wasn't clear.
I know, but I'm afraid I read these steps.
Add a sprinkle of salt. That was more than a sprinkle.
Okay, now we have salted butter. I feel like it was butter.
We're following the instructions. What add a little bit more water?
I feel like the water's diluting it.
Yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Add a sprinkle of salt. Okay, where's the second page of instructions?
Now I'll take a slice of bread. Describe how it feels, tastes like. Tear the bread
Okay.
in half.
Here we're using my Ezekiel bread because I buy fancy bread and it's a nice tan brown color. You can see all the whole grains in it. It's cold because I keep it refrigerated and it tastes like, it tastes cold and grainy and pretty dry. It's good when you toast it and have stuff on it, but it's pretty dry.
So now we take a slice or 2 of cheese and place it between the 2 slices, essentially making a cheese sandwich.
Got our fancy craft singles. What the heck, I'm not used to. Ew.
Should I start the oven or the stove?
Yes, and get a pan. Let's not set the paper on fire. So, describe how the cheese sandwich feels, tastes like. Well, a cheese sandwich to me tastes pretty gross, but I'll. Haven't had one of these since I was like 8. Still tastes pretty dry because the bread doesn't have butter on it yet, and the cheese tastes like sadness and cold and like cheap cheese because it's a Kraft single.
So now we make the grilled cheese.
Okay. Gonna spread our butter. One. Oh my gosh, it's solid. Wow.
Go Moody.
I don't think I'll be making this for my day-to-day life, but
How neat.
that is neat. I can't believe it. There is butter on this bread. I'm so excited. You're gonna have to eat some of this and describe it.
I can't.
Yes.
I can't. I don't eat grains. I'm grain free.
She's on a weird diet. She doesn't mean it. Okay.
I think the stove is ready.
Is it on high?
It is.
Yeah.
I cook everything on high.
The 6-year-old I babysit loves grilled cheese, so I'm the master.
This would be a good experiment to do with him.
Yeah, he's not patient enough, I don't think. To shake it that many times. Did you stop the timer on how many times we have to shake it?
Nope.
Great. She's sizzling. It needs more butter. More butter, more butter. Hey,
Hi.
we're doing our physical science lab. We just made
Oh.
some butter.
I'm so proud.
This is Claudia. She just came in to observe.
so proud. What was that crappy about your PCAT score?
Hmm?
After you told Zach about your PCAT score
Mhm.
and you don't like his hair?
No.
I'm very sorry.
Oh, I didn't see it. I think he had on a hat.
He had on a beanie. He hid it from me as long as he could. Then we got in the car and I said, "No, it's here." What come in here for? Ziploc bags.
This looks good. Don't know how this butter's gonna taste though. It's pretty hideous. Oh, that's something burn. Okay, so now we have to describe how the let's not set off the fire alarm. How the grilled cheese sandwich differs from the regular cheese sandwich. Do you want to take a go at explaining how it differs from the cheese sandwich?
Sure. So there's definitely a difference in texture.
It looks so good.
It does look really good. The bread has become hard as opposed to its soft form. The color has changed. It's darkened. The cheese has melted. And additionally, the butter that went on, like this white creamy color, you can't really see that anymore.
We tore up some cookies.
It has vanished. Do you want to taste it?
Yeah,
I think it's kind of hot.
how I like it. Let's break it apart like in a commercial.
Oh, yeah. Oh, not as...
Oh,
Satisfying.
anticlimactic. It's actually really good.
Yay!
Is that all? And the last step is to enjoy your sandwich, but Emma,
No grains.
Try a bite.
I can't.
that's all. Thanks.
Bye.